I would want to say that today we have had an interactive and informative interaction session. Interaction session between the security in Kisii with Boda fraternity. This was a security and safety session that has been driven by the need that all borders operators in border industries require in order to ensure the safety and security of residents or road users in the road. Going by the accident situation that we have, where majority of those who have been involved motorcycle riders and in particular border riders. So it was important for us to have an interactive session with them, just to ensure that we synthesize them on the basics, basic requirements that they need to follow, because all the legal, I would say that most of the legal aspects that we have in the Traffic Act, NTSA, and the Insurance Act border around safety of those road users. I would say that the Traffic Act, the way it is, or the legal aspects, have a direct link with the safety. That if you obey the law, then it means that you ensure the safety of those who are using the roads or the road users. Thank you. That it was not all a police exercise, it was a multi-agency sensitization exercise involving the police and in particular Kenya Police Service, the Kenya Police Service, the traffic, the officers from the traffic department, NTSA, and even the DCI officers, because it was something that was revolving around the security and safety of road users in Kisii.
Speaker na radio te ya barundi baitu na kamuranje twagambire national government bantu mbare kanya bagotamere national government na barundi ba national government batoroke county government bone tole broad based government olero mukutano uri kanya tosa ku county ku national government ntwakora togosaba barundi baitu totete ko tuomana ndons watia machika traffic watia machika county government watia machika border wanya tubwatie stage mapema asengejo last time muntu atuomane tena barundi baito igore gusukumana ya machika igoto kanyatwa barundi baito tya gusukumana muri genjereyo muri stage ya mapema egento kyo mwali school chiasieke toko saba baiboli bonsi asebaika kiro monta make sure olendro mwana waye taja ko para border because ya ekinege sakukia mambi tosemere tike kesome echako kokonya nese egento kende kyo mwali naroja kusabana abarundi baito na barai baito andonsia sokoro mwana ku school akorundi pikipiki omwana ku school abogoirie pikipiki omonya rukomoka ko iroro sana kamuranje moto kulere no toli muna barai egere tubwaterane tokonye saukia mama ko kamuranje no toramo bwatie machika
mukutano na national government amo na boda sector abwe situaligereria amangana twaraga sector ya itego chikogengera moto twaligereri ng'abarundi baita bange ebakunywa maruba bakogechikiri kwigwana nanga ntuna national government tubwaterane ende torre ng'abantu baito batigire kunywa maruba ekere bakogenda chipikipiki bagenje pikipiki ekere bagenda nka banywa maruba ekere bakorre kwenye onye yale ngikunywa na ndege ntokende twaligereri mono kiato chandira se town yaito abarundi baite bakogenda pikipiki ende baibera chikasta so mbali konyara kwa bakumanywa ng'ango ibere customer. So we have introduced coding system ekobekwa siki reflector umuntu akomanyikana stage kyarwa na ende ngo muimoki so coding system eye ntwigwanana na ene ntwaro allowance sengencha abarundi baito bali kwenya ntwaro egekage isaine cy'umutinyo yomo erinde bebange bagore reflector nende babe code egento kenene twigwanana na sengencho obugima bwakongire ntwigwanana na national government abarundi baito mbabwati driving license mbabwati insurance ne ya muhimu national government bate aba asebono kana tware insurance amangana ye license ntwigwarana national government batwe umudo isaine elinde twigwarana na barobo abantu baito batware chi license bako gatlipi lakini asa mangana ye chi insurance it's a mandatory to have insurance ekakogere kokonye raido limogeti ende yakonya no ligwatumire gari yaye inde togotama ekero bwate driving ekwende insurance kwa hivyo hiyo ndio tumesikizana na ende twatwariro program ingia twakorere byane twigwananire ng'abarundi baito batwara order in town no gutwara no kurenda machikari traffic rules ekare moro turatwara machikari traffic rules ntokonyara tugusugumana na national government
ni atrajambiri main stage ero twatwara mukutano myasano lenga successful as a national government and county government na bara events stage ya municipalities no twarengega twanyora mangana mayakuru as national government joko tuzisha mangana ya safety asepara na into abanyene munange tukwera takwirenda elinda tunyole sabuni tuirira aba family inka egente ketanga ni twakwane go register digital manyiri ase town yeito ya municipality abantu bali bametenga bara ase register digital manyiri ase county banyale go chaka ko tigaba na register manyiri dali bara nyole ngamba kubwatu na security ya national na security ya county government plus na abara ibe stages so igo toka tanga ushirikiano yetu achakire bona iga gatoleta sanity ase town yeito na lituranyale ku grobia town ya ndrebia bila ko warusana no ndebwes so toka tanga mbyomo tukatubwatira ku bona kuchimotua elinde na lio obogima urato babere wororo no bokonge chabere chinyinge igonga oikaba gendi baito bebange batware bintu bya para na intwe twasabira abagendi baito iga beke reflector beke bikoroto nande tikakonywa maruko amanya gochaka ndie pipi abantu bamita abange banyarire ko baba komi asenge jogo tabwatia machikapa naye go koroje ngane chiza chiama bigagiti kakonya goyetanga na police ebatebire ngakero kene nande tutogo chitwache kya basigari kera ogo eta tobege tibito biri bigwenderete ogo kwatu nande twacha gwacha gutolera muna barainga monko ege ndokende kya kabe ntumuna barai twagambira twegwana ndobo ibi boichoire ase town ya itabantu babera abantu baminto mkoira na tole tocha kobeka mangana kodi n'abantu baito batwara kinamba ase chipikipiki abantu baito batwara kinamba ase reflector so that ko chimotwa iga oboera ni boito bwa boda babo ya ase town ya ito ndotage tinaenda mangana muna alitwaroje tiga members baito babwatiri chiko alitobeketa ase stage abantu batike kotenda chipara abantu muna bona chiskuru chia sieku twatebi wa mangana makomuga tonyoro monto koegeri omwana bwe skuru epikipiki oyuni gatoko bwata epikipiki ito era abasigari kole ngana muna bato tebiria